Hey Carlos,
Hey Tutu.
have you ever seen Back to the Future 2?
Yup,
Remember all the cool technology that was available?
that was awesome. Well, let's be honest, it's a lot easier to imagine all that stuff in Back to the Future 2 than it is to actually engineer.
And once something like a flying car is engineered and tested, implementing something like a flying freeway in an urban area is actually really complicated.
I'm starting to see the challenges that urban planners and civil engineers face.
In 1989, it might have been too ambitious to think it could create all these gadgets in 30 years.
Sure, but having a vision for our future is important, and we want to imagine that our future will be better than our present.
Okay, Carlos, so how do you envision urban areas in 2045?
Holographic 3D advertisements, robot assistants to do our chores, anti-gravity shoes.
So that's all cool stuff, but it doesn't directly solve any urban infrastructure issues.
I get it, like the hoverboard, right? The people behind Back to the Future 2 envisioned some sort of emission-free power source for transportation.
And Mr. Fusion used trash to create fuel for the DeLorean, solving the problem of waste management.
Or there was that one guy in front of the clock tower who had a tablet. He was able to process Marty's thumbprint using wireless internet connection. Maybe free public Wi-Fi? That seems like something we can achieve today.
These are just a few examples from one movie.
The answers to our outdated urban infrastructures are out there. Great creative minds have been identifying urban problems and dreaming up solutions for a century.
Jules Verne, Arthur C. Clarke, Spike Jonze.
Problems such as improving air quality, transportation, and communication have all been addressed in countless sci-fi stories. It's our job to get these solutions out of science fiction and into reality. But how?
I'm going to school to be an engineer. Engineering is a bridge between great ideas and the welfare of everyone.
I'm glad you're thinking about urban infrastructure now, before our world begins to look like the future movies I don't want to live in.
Remember to keep in mind that urban infrastructure is kind of like Doc Brown's DeLorean. It does run, but it needs a lot of power, maintenance, and upgrades.